Great careers don't just happen. They are nurtured as spaces that believe in you even before you believe in yourself. For me, that space was Chandigarh University. Hi, I'm Sukant Bhardwaj, a proud alumnus of CU. I pursued my MBA in digital marketing here. And to say the least, those 2 years not just shaped my career, but also my mindset. I was fortunate enough to receive a 100% scholarship, which made my dream of a successful management career even more accessible. Be it the curriculum aligned with digital trends, expert faculty guiding real-world insights, or access to cutting-edge tools and certifications, my educational journey at CU was truly holistic. Since the university gives special emphasis on experiential learning, I even got an opportunity to work at Tata Technologies as a market research intern. Today, as I work with Zomato, a leading firm in online food delivery and restaurant discovery, I attribute my success to my university. And I'm grateful for the opportunity to pursue my MBA from Chandigarh University. It was not only about theoretical knowledge, but it was about real-world exposure and constant encouragement to strive for new heights.